The second digital revolution has begun, and it changes many relationship aspects in our life, such as between users and technology, between customers and organization, and between organization and their employees. They all exist to enable the exchange of physical, informational, financial, or emotional resources. Indonesia is poised to benefit greatly from digital revolution. The economic impact is estimated to be 150 billion annually by 2025. Therefore, digital era change should be hand in hand with the change of how humans think, live, and connect. Human skill shifting in Indonesia workforce is estimated to be 42% by 2022. However, Indonesia workforce readiness to face the digital era is still far left behind compared to other countries, which cause several huge problems and issues. The most significant one is the growing of unemployment rate in Indonesia. If we don't change, 56% of people will lose their job because of technology. Meanwhile, digital education that is taught in formal school is not qualified enough for people to face the future workforce. Therefore, we introduce you to a solution called Kelas Dewantara. Kelas Dewantara is an educational platform that will focus on providing learning courses related to digital literacy and skills, such as search engines, visual communication, Photoshop, and the list still goes on. This platform is designed to be user-friendly because every user can learn according to their respective passion by doing psychological passion tests. Users will get a digital course recommendation in accordance with their passion obtained through the passion test results that have been conducted. Then, users will proceed through each level on selected digital learning in order to complete the courses and get official certification. Users can also share the learning outcomes that they have applied in their own way through alumni sharing. There will also be company visit and virtual reality to provide an overview of real-life work situation. Education in digital literacy is the first step to reduce unemployment, improve human resource to be competent, provide a picture of real-life work, and allow people to learn with passion for a better future workforce in Indonesia.
And meet our team, Indonesia siap menghadapi revolusi industri 4.0.